for Christmas calendar.
This is Manny here at So Cal Muffler in Riverside. We just installed a Flowmaster on this brand new Dodge Ram 4x4, the Rebel. Really nice truck, brand new.
With part 2 of a message called Evicting Envy from Your Heart. Matthew 6:24, Jesus said, "No one can serve two masters. He will either hate the one and love the other, or he'll be devoted to the one and despise the other. You cannot serve both God and money." Now, notice he says there, you cannot serve both God and money. He doesn't say you should not. He says you can't. You can't have two gods in your life. You can't have two primary goals in your life. You can't serve two different things in your life. You're either going to serve God or you're going to serve money. Now, you can take money out of that equation and put any other word in there and it's still true. You cannot serve God and sex. You cannot serve God and your boyfriend. You cannot serve God and being popular. You cannot serve God and status. You cannot serve God. You got to decide what's the number one goal in your life. To please God and be who He may be.
Again, this is Manny here at So Cal Muffler in Riverside. And hopefully next time it'll be your truck or your car. Thank you. How do you like that?
What's so fascinating about somebody else's shot, somebody else's life? That ain't gonna happen. Envy is far more destructive than you realize. It denies my uniqueness and it divides my attention. Number 3, it wastes my time and energy. Envy wastes my time and energy. Because you're spending all your time trying to keep up with the Joneses.